These next 60 minutes are gonna fly because this work that you do as ambassadors, I think is some of the most important work you could do in life. You're telling the story. You're telling how your story engages with this university story. And that's what the students are looking for. Why is it your hope? Like, why do you feel
Well,
that
I was
way?
thinking about it, right?
Give it to me.
Right? So I was thinking, hi, my name is Amber Marrero, and welcome to Charger Nation, where this is my home away from home, where you can do and be whoever you want to be.
Boom. Boom.
Oh, snap.
Okay? The ripple effect on the change that you're making in these tours is enormous. Give a tour that somebody remembers. If you do that, you're legendary.